Hi all, welcome to a new video of Horilla technical series. In this video, we will configure the detailed view for our custom shift request view. So for the detailed view inside the Horilla generics, there is a view parent class called Horilla Detailed View. So using that, let's create a child class for our custom shift request view. So class shift details, then Horilla Detail View as the parent. Then when you check the Horilla Detail View, here you can see the title, template name, header, body, action method, actions, and multiple options over there. So let's configure the detail view first I will show you how the detail view look like. First comment this one. I'm reset my server. Okay. Going to the browser, then employees, shift request. It is the actual shift request that Horilla is using. Then when you click on the row or the Horilla table, here you can see the detail view is coming. So here is the title and the employee, the subtitle and the details and actions. So let's see how we will create this detail view using the Horilla detailed view. Okay, so here's our class. This is our class. Then we can provide title as shift details. Then template name will be the same. Then there is a header dictionary attribute. Then it will be the title will be title will be the employee name. So how we can fetch the employee name? Okay, when you check the Horilla detail view inside the generic Horilla theme, inside the Horilla theme, and search for title. Okay, so here is using get attribute function. So you can directly map the function from the shift request model. So we also have to map the model. Model is equal to shift request. Then the title. Title will be the employee name. So employee ID and double underscore get full name. Full name will be written the employee full name. When I check the shift request model, here's the employee ID. I mapped this field. Then I navigate to the inside to the employee model. Sorry. Okay. Then the second one is subtitle. Subtitle means when you check the browser, when you click the record, you can see a subtitle called sales dipped salesman. So you can create add those details using the subtitle. Subtitle. That it when you check the detail view, it will take format function. Search for subtitle. Okay, it's also using get attribute function. So we have to map a method that will return the subtitle. So for now, let's fetch the department or job position of the employee information. Let's add a comma over here. Then employee ID double underscore employee work info double underscore job position ID. It's a normal field inside the shift request. It is a related name for the accessing the work information of the particular employee. Then the job position from the work information. Okay. Also map the avatar. Avatar will be the employee ID double underscore get avatar method. Okay. Then when you check, okay, here all other details are I will be here. We can check in that part in later video. So let's create a URL for this detail view. Here's our urls.py inside our no. So here's the urls.py inside our custom app. I'm going to create a detail view URL path till custom shift detailed view. Then it will take pk. So in pk we need to map the newly created shift request detailed view shift details as view, then provide a name shift details custom shift details. Then let's map this URL into, okay, here's the URL. Let's map that URL into our list view. Search for Horilla List View. Horilla List View. Then we are having some raw ATTs. Okay, here's the no, that's not the here's the raw ATTs. Okay, we currently providing a symbol alert. So when you check inside our custom shift request list view that we created in the later videos, okay, here you can see a symbol alert is showing. So instead of this, we need to show the detail view. So how we can do that? Let's see. So here is the, okay. Then let's provide hx get. Then okay, provide f string over here. Then inside the double curly braces, reverse lazy. Inside that, let's provide the URL name. Custom shift request details. Then the hx target will be as generic modal body. Then we need to pop up the modal. So for the modal, data toggle oh modal toggle. Then for the target, data target, it will be hash generic modal. Okay, let's restart the server. Okay, if you provide single curly braces over here, it will fetch the details from the model. If you use double curly braces, then it will normally act as sorry, I have mistaken here. I need to use single curly braces for the f string functionality. Okay, we are getting some circular import due to same URLs in same view. Let's change it into the init function. Where's the init? Here's the init. Okay, self dot it is equal to, okay. So if you are using f string, you need to use double curly braces to fetch the details from the model. I'll show an example. For example, data id is equal to, I'm going to provide double curly braces, then I'm going to map pk. Yeah, now let's restart the server and let's see. Okay, refresh. Check. Okay, we got some error. Okay, it will require PK. Yeah, it will require PK. So this will not work over here. So we need to provide a function to we need to map a function that will return the complete path for the detail view. So let's remove this from here. Then let's monkey patch a function that will return the URL. Like oh, here's update URL is already here. Let's duplicate that. Then shift request detailed URL. Then the URL name. Okay, PK will be PK. Then let's monkey patch this function to the shift request model. It's equal to custom shift request detailed URL. Then let's map that URL inside over here. So if I'm going to fetch the detail from the model, I have to provide double curly braces if I provide the f string. If I remove the f, okay, I will show both. If I remove this f from f string, then I simply need to provide it inside a single curly braces. So let's check what is happening actually here. Refresh. Okay, when you click, okay, here's how detail is visible now. Okay, similarly, when you check, inspect the row, here we are having the TR. Okay, here we can see the details like data ID. Okay, if you want to use without the f string, then you simply have to provide it inside single curly brace. Okay, that also will work. So when you check compare the detail view, and you can see we have mapped the full name, the subtitle avatar, and the title also available here. So when you check the row, you can see the details. So I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.